Hi, my name is Dr. Saba Rizvi with My Dentist for Life in Plantation, Florida. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the most commonly asked questions for PRF. PRF is platelet-rich fibrin, and what we do is we take your blood and we spin it through a centrifuge, and we take the richest portion, which is the top layer, filled with platelets. It's filled with growth factors, a collagen matrix that we can use to treat many different conditions. PRF and PRP, there's a difference. PRF is newer generation, PRP is older generation. PRP used anticoagulants and other additives, and PRF is completely free and clear of any kind of chemicals. So it's more natural, it's safer to use, and it's better for growth. So the treatment for PRF is after we draw up your blood and we take the golden layer of your blood. It can be used in many different applications in dentistry and in facial aesthetics, for hair regeneration, for wound healing. It has many different applications. PRF can treat fine lines and wrinkles. It can treat volume loss. It can treat hair loss. It can treat acne scars. It can treat in dentistry. It can treat inflammation. Helps with growth, especially in the areas where we're trying to build volume. So there are many different applications, both in dentistry and facial aesthetics. The results are usually within weeks, up to several months later. It goes through a process of very natural growth factors that get released and help build collagen, and you'll start seeing results within several weeks of your treatment. Again, the number of treatments that you have to do depends on the service that you're getting done. When we're using it in the application of dentistry, say we're doing an extraction, we just need to do it at that time of extraction. We call it a biological extraction, and we create a fibrin matrix. We drop it right into that area where we've taken out the tooth. That helps promote some bone growth. It helps improve healing. So it's just one time. Now, for in the area of facial aesthetics or hair rejuvenation, a minimum would be 3 applications, 1 month apart for 3 months, or you can go, if it's severe, you can do up to 6 months. Getting PRF treatment is not painful. In the aspect of dentistry, you're going to be completely numb, so you don't feel anything anyway. And then in the aspect of facial aesthetics, it's the same thing like getting your blood drawn. It's like a simple prick, and then we take your blood and then we re-inject it into your skin. So that process is not painful at all, other than just some minor redness for the treatment. The cost varies of PRF depending on the service that you are going for. So for example, if you're going for facial aesthetics, which needs multiple appointments, the cost for that will depend on the number of visits that you have. In the case of dentistry, where you would need a single tooth extraction, the cost would be $500 to be made and used into that single visit procedure. There are no side effects to PRF treatment because it is absolutely safe. You're using your own blood to create those growth factors, and we are just re-injecting that, so there's no chemicals or preservatives involved. PRF injected is anywhere you need it. For example, in the area hair loss, you're going to inject it right in those areas that you're receding your hair, where you need more volume. In the area of facial aesthetics, we're going to inject it anywhere where you have a fine line or wrinkle. We can inject it anywhere where you may have acne scarring. We can inject it where areas where you've lost volume on your face. And then in the area of dentistry, if you have gum disease and we want to promote healing and cause some regeneration, it can be injected under all of the pockets, or very specifically into the particular area or tooth that we're working on. That varies from the type of procedure that we're doing. So for example, if we are doing a single tooth extraction, we would need a minimum of 4 vials of blood. But if we're doing a full mouth facial rejuvenation treatment, we would need a minimum of 6 vials of blood. PRF is absolutely effective because we have seen such amazing results. There's a lot of research going on with PRF, and we have seen that it has shown to reduce all the fine lines and wrinkles. It's shown to cause hair growth, and in dentistry, we see amazing results because we're now able to see healing, promotion of bone building. So it's very, very effective. I hope I was able to answer all of your questions regarding PRF, but if you have any additional questions that were unanswered, please give us a call at 954-578-6869. Thank you so much.